Hello guys, welcome to a concept video. My name is Nandivardhan Reddy from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, IT, first year. Today's topic is biasing of PN junction. Let's go into the topic. What is PN junction? PN junction. When P-type semiconductor is suitably joined to N-type semiconductor, the contact surface is called p-n junction. Here it is p-type and it is n-type. This connection is called p-n junction. Okay. Next, n-type semiconductor. N-type. When a small amount of pentavalent impurity is added to a pure semiconductor, it's known as n-type semiconductor. Pentavalent means 5 electrons. AS is pentavalent and GE is a pure semiconductor. When we add pentavalent impurity to the pure semiconductor, it is called N-type semiconductor, P-type semiconductor. When a small amount of trivalent impurity is added to a pure semiconductor, it's called p-type semiconductor. When we add three valency electron atom to a pure semiconductor, it is called p-type semiconductor. A G is a pure semiconductor and gallium is a trivalent impurity. Ga is added to a pure semiconductor Ge. It is a p-type semiconductor. It is whole. It is trivalent impurity atom. Okay. Next, depletion region. The depletion region, also called depletion layer, the depletion zone. The combining of electrons and the holes depletes the holes in the p region and the electrons in the n region near the junction. This is called depletion region. Holes in the p region and electrons in the n region near the junction. This is called depletion layer. Negative ends and positive ends. Okay. Next, biasing a p-n junction. In relation to a p-n junction, there are two bias conditions. Biasing a p-n junction. One is forward biasing and second is reverse biasing. Let's see that. Battery connection. Forward bias mode. Positive terminal connected to the P region and the negative terminal is connected to the N region. P, P, N, N. You can see in this way. Next, reverse bias mode. Negative terminal is connected to the P region and the positive terminal is connected to the N region. Here, we are reversing the connections, okay? The terminals. Then it will get reverse bias mode. Forward bias. When voltage is applied across a diode in such a way that the diode always allows current and the potential barrier reduces, the diode is said to be forward bias. Okay, here in this way, putting a forward bias in PN junction, positive terminal is connected to the P type, negative terminal is connected to the N type. Okay, this is a forward biasing model. Here, external electric field is applied in this direction, and the electric field of depletion layer is in this direction. Okay, current will flow in this direction from negative to from positive to negative. Next, reverse bias. When voltage is applied across a diode in such a way that the diode prohibits current and potential barrier increases, the diode is said to be reverse biased. Here, negative terminal is connected to the P-type and then positive terminal is connected to the N-type. This is reverse biased mode. Here, uh, here the voltage is applied across a diode in such a way that the diode prohibits the current and potential barrier increases. Here see potential barrier is increasing. The diode is said to be reverse biased. Next, VI characteristics of PN junction. Here, the curve drawn between the voltage across this junction along x-axis and the current through the y-axis. Here, we see that breakdown voltage from negative axis to increasing at x equals 0 and y equals 0 it is 0 and again it is increasing. This is barrier voltage. Okay, this is barrier voltage, this is breakdown voltage. Okay, next, in forward bias, no current flows until the barrier voltage 0.3 for GE is overcome. Then the curve has linear rise and the curve increases with the increased forward voltage. Above the 3 volts, the majority carriers passing the junction gained sufficient energy to knock out the electrons. Therefore, the forward current increases sharply. In reverse bias, junction resistance potential barrier increases when reverse voltage is increased beyond a value called breakdown voltage. Reverse current increases sharply. About 25 reverse voltage destroys the junction permanently. This is about reverse bias. Okay. Next, advantages. No filament is necessary, occupies lesser space, and long life. Thank you.